Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you guys need to find where the fuse for interior lights is located, stay with us. We'll explain where you can find it. If your interior lights do not work, always check that fuse. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. And why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the interior lights fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will guys demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. Now, the fuse for the interior lights is in a fuse box that's actually on the driver's side. Open the door, and here guys, okay, you see on the left side of the steering wheel you have that trim cover that goes all the way on the right side as well. You have 4 clips, one here, one there, 2 on the other side. Grab that thing, pull it down, it will open on hinges, and behind it on that left side you're going to find the interior fuse box with a layout like this one. It's all the way in the dash. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here guys, for the interior lights there will be just one fuse that we will need to check. We will always recommend to keep some spare fuses of those that you see here that are double fuses guys. Those are super hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere you may have a hard time finding them. Usually next to the fuses you have numbers, and the fuse guys for the interior lights is known as fuse number 1. We're talking about this 20 fuse, 10 fuse right here. That's fuse number 1. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.